All right, everybody, I am in Kansas City at the Marriott downtown. I am in they're calling it a junior suite, but I would consider this a one-bedroom suite. 1030, so I'm only on the 10th floor, but it's a pretty nice sized room. So as you walk in to the left, you're gonna have this little wet bar area with your coffee maker, your cups for ice. There is a refrigerator down here, just a typical refrigerator. And then as you walk into the room, nice sized living room with this is a pull-out couch, kind of L-shaped design there, chair, small little two-person table, very tiny, and a TV on the wall. Again, very nice size. Like you could easily fit some more chairs in here. We do have, you can do an adjoining room on that side. You can also do an adjoining room on the other side. Let's walk into the bedroom here. King size bed. Again, pretty decent sized room. Got your typical desk, TV on the wall. This is something I like. Little sense for your pillow to help you sleep. That's kind of cool. Nice walk-in closet, big mirror. And then typical Marriott bathroom. Not very big, but you know, does the job. And this shampoo brand, typical in the Marriotts. If you stayed in Marriotts, you're very familiar with it. And again, we're only on the 10th floor, but it's still an okay view. Sun's shining on me. There's two towers on the Marriott, so that's actually the other Marriott tower over there. I'm in the main tower. All right, everybody, thanks for watching.